Hello and welcome to my reading studio. I will first of all like to thank all of you so immensely for all the support you've given me and my son for over how many years and how many signatures. Everybody has been so amazing. I wanted to invite you to a new project. I'm not abandoning the petition or my efforts to reunite with my son, but I would also want to turn my attention to mothers in Africa, mothers and sons, just to try to heal that wound and help a mother and a son in Africa. And whatever it is they need to advance their education or help them improve their health. And I want to do that through a type of a community service I'm doing on Patreon. And if you enroll in a third tier of my three Patreon levels, you can help me embark on that project. To become a member of the third tier, you would have to pay $1,000 a month, every month, or $1,000 a year. I think $1,000 a month is a little bit too optimistic, but who am I to judge? Let's say $1,000 a year. And if you do that, I will enroll 500 students in the $1 a month tier, where I provide basic education in mathematics and science and ESL. And I think that's a much needed service. If you read my long post, you will learn how I know this to be the need that we can all work together to meet. So 500 students you will help with your $1,000 donation. And I will also donate a portion of that funds. Your subscription, I'll donate it to a community in Africa to help them with their school supplies or their health needs. I've identified 2 communities. I'm still collaborating on some few things with them, and I'll let you know how things pan out. And of course, I will reward myself. I'm hoping that I'll make $300 per $1,000 subscription. That is the money that will go towards my compensation for preparing the lessons and creating this place, this safe space for the students to learn. Let me share with you something that I think you might be interested to hear about. I have been teaching for over 20 years. I have identified several reasons why I think students are having a difficult time with learning languages and mathematics. I'm not here to discuss those problems, but I can promise you that in my way of teaching, very few students, if any, are left behind. And that is my promise to you, that your $1,000 subscription will be put to good use. I will also provide you the accounting to show you how I have handled donation funds in the past. Because I know you would want to know that your money is being used for what I say it's going to be used for. That was a long-winded way of saying a simple thing. Thank you for listening, and thank you for helping me embark on this project. I don't know when I will see my son again. I've been separated from him for over 6 years. I know that when religion has caused people harm in the past, they created wounds that bled forever. Thank you for helping make a difference in families that are still together, and help those families become stronger through improved education and improved support and assistance for the health needs that I might help them with. Thank you.